Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another video. Today we can call it an update video slash driving video as well. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to Rush or More Reviews, remember to subscribe first of all. Subscribing is free, it doesn't cost, so just turn that red subscribe button gray. Remember to like the video, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. So we're right outside of Charlton Road. That's the road you're seeing in front of me, and we're gonna go on to Charlton Avenue right now. What we're taking a look at is the 27 Charlton Club. That was an apartment complex that was being developed, but it totally vanished, and I'll explain to you guys what I mean. So that's what we're going to take a look on today. It was well talked about because of the price point. I think it started at 27 million along with some other good amenities, but after they started foundation, everything stopped. The sign is now gone, the billboard is gone, there's no construction. So personally, I'm not sure what happened. I know you guys may have more information, so if you guys have any info in terms of what happened, what caused that project to stop or to halt or to pause, just let me know. So that's where we're heading now. We're heading around to Charlton 27 Charlton Club, where the site was or still is just literally around this corner. So if you guys know what happened, let me know. So this wall, that's the perimeter fence, and there was a sign there as well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut out a little bit from the previous video that I did when this project was active and just put it in about right here. So somewhere here I'll put that video. A few persons, including some of my subscribers, wanted to see what's happening for the 27 Charlton Club development. Price starting at 27 mil. It's a very narrow development, meaning that the width is narrow, but the building will go very far back. I'll try to show you guys a better glimpse of the finished product on the billboard when I'm finished. You guys will also see contact numbers. The listing agency is Reviews-Jamaica, that's Keller Williams Realty Company. Alright, so it's a quick review, guys, just showing you guys what's happening around the area, because not a lot of work has started yet. They're just doing foundation work. We're near to Grand Spen, we're near to Chartwood Road as well. We're a bit near to Kingston Spring Road. And just showing you guys quickly what's happening and the location. What I'll do, I'll go on the front one and show you guys a minute or two, just around the corner on Chartwood Road. So we have starting at 27 mil. We have 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. Completion December 2020, but I think they will never meet this for December 2020. This is more like December 2021. 24-hour security, elevator, gym, underground parking, modern design, swimming pool. Alright, so what that video would have highlighted is the billboard that was here, and as you guys probably can glimpse, I'm not sure if you can see, but there is steel work inside because the foundation was started. I don't think you guys can see. The foundation was started, and this was the proposed site for 27 Charlton Club, an apartment complex around this side of Kingston. Not the most upscale side, but this was the proposed location. But there's no work, no sign, everything has altered, so I'm not sure what happened. I'm not sure if it was permits, some permit stuff, some NEPA stuff, some government stuff. But if you guys have any knowledge, any idea, any information, definitely let me know. Alright, and as I'm recording this video, I wouldn't have place the older video in the slot, so if I wasn't able to download and cut out that section and put it in this video, you guys know that is because it wasn't possible, but I hope I was able to do it. So I'm speaking in the future here. But yeah, that's it guys. 27 Charlton Club. I'm gonna try turn around and go back down that side so you guys can see the location once more. The perimeter fence to the right of the property as well is also falling down. Not sure what kind of construction flaw that was, but the perimeter fence is falling down, so I'll highlight that bit as well, and then we go on the driving. So let me head back down the road. This is Charlton Avenue in Kingston, Jamaica, right outside of Charlton Road. A few property around this side that is looking for some development. Alright, so we're coming back to the Charlton Club property right now. Let me try stop a little bit. So that's the wall guys. So that's the perimeter fence. It's falling down. Not sure if you guys can see it. So just wanted to highlight that as well. So it's literally falling down. Some of it is leaning on the foundation steels. So yeah, so not sure what happened over here, but stuff happened. Alright, so just wanted to highlight that for you guys. I know I only did probably one update on this property when it started, or probably two. So I know some people are probably wondering what happened, why they don't see any more videos, but this would be the reason why. And again, if you guys have more information, just let me know as well. So we're gonna head back onto Charlton Road, and then we'll drive out onto Constant Spring Road just to close off this video. I know when the 27 Charlton Club was being developed, it was being developed, some persons were talking about the area and the community, compared to the cost, and the fact that it's not the most residential community, stuff like that. But not sure what happened. So we're back onto Chartwood Road, and we're heading to the direction of Constant Spring Road. So enjoy the rest of the drive guys. I appreciate you clicking on this video. I appreciate you liking this video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. We need to reach to 10,000 subscribers by June. I try to put up a video every day for you guys, and sometimes persons comment and email and say, hey, I'm happy for your daily videos. They lift my spirit, they help me with depression, and it just bring me joy in terms of me being able to watch a video to see what's happening in Jamaica on a daily basis. So I know a lot of persons really appreciate the daily videos, so I always try my best to stay consistent as well. So we are on Charlton Road, heading out to Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, so stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the drive, and thanks for clicking on this video.